Hi, I'm Lazze and I'm teaching people in metal shaping, and I have done it for many years, and hopefully you have seen many of my 146 videos that I have before on YouTube. So this will be the number 147. Anyway, on this video I think it's going to be a thing that can help lots of people out there with metal shaping with bead rollers. So why do I standing here in front of a louver press? I'm going to explain. I built a louver press and I took the English wheel frame and welded it together, and then I bought the kit from Mittler Brothers. And it's the ram and the hydraulic thing, the pump and everything, and I bought some of the louver dies, and we put all this together and I really liked it. It works great. So I put up a video on YouTube about this before, and just to show people that they could actually build their own louver press with this kit because it works. So I had it up there maybe for a year, maybe more, and then one day Mike Mittler from Mittler Brothers company called me up and thanked me so much for putting up this video on YouTube. So we get along pretty good, and we talked for about an hour, maybe more, and I mentioned a thing for him that had been an issue for many years, actually since I came over from Sweden 13 years ago, because people want my bead roller dies or my profiles, but for Mittler Brothers bead rollers. My dies, they don't fit straight on to Mittler's bead rollers because it's different shafts. My dies are smaller, so and they don't fit. It doesn't work. We have tried that, and many people over the years have asked me and email me or order the dies on my website and thinking that they will fit any bead rollers, but they don't. So I talked to Mike about this issue that I had for many years, and he came up with an idea that we could sign an agreement that I give all my drawings to Mittler Brothers and they can produce my profiles but the size and everything made so it fits Mittler Brothers bead rollers. So that's what is going to be about this video. So let's go over to the table where I have some bead roller dies there so you can take a look at them. So here we have the Jamie Jordan edition. Jamie Jordan, I'm very impressed of his job that he do in the bead roller, his artwork, it's amazing. So for years, as I said, there have been an issue that people want my profiles for the Mittler Brothers bead rollers, and they didn't work. But finally, we find a solution, so they are now available at the Mittler Brothers website, mittlerbrews.com. And here we can see that we have selection of dies that is available, and I think it is 32 pairs, that is 32 plus pairs that is available, and even the 33, 34 4 dies are available. And I think this is going to help a lot of people out there, because I know that many of you guys out there have already purchased the Mittler Brothers bead rollers and you would like to do more profiles same as I do in my bead roller. So now they are available. So check out www.mittlerbrews.com and for more information about the dies there. And if you need to talk to Mittler Brothers, just call them and they will help you with the dies. If you want more information about my classes or my equipment, you can go to www.lazzemetalshaping.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.